Hello, this is a Vox Markets presentation, and I'm David Buick. And our very special guest today is Jason Paltrowitz, and he is Executive Vice President of OTC Markets Group. Now, we're here today to ask Jason exactly where we feel that his operation could be of greater benefit to European companies, whether it be in London, Frankfurt, Madrid, Amsterdam. How can we work together in a better way? Jason, greetings.
Thank
Nice
you
to
for
see
having me. Great to see you.
I've thrown the pebble in the water.
Yeah.
Give us an opening gambit of where you actually see things and what you're looking for.
Sure, and I appreciate the opportunity to come. So for those of your audience that don't know, right, OTC Markets is the largest stock market in the US for non-US equities. We are first and foremost a secondary market. So we're not taking listings, we're not doing IPOs. No. We are taking companies that are already listed in their home market, and we're helping them access US investors through a stock quote in US dollars that trades in the US market that we operate. And so we're in a very unique position because we give companies the ability to use their home market disclosure, so they don't have to be SEC reporting and Sarbanes-Oxley and all the cost and complexity of a US listing. They can use their UK listing disclosure, and they can give that to us to access US investors. So what does that mean? That means that for very little additional work, UK companies or Amsterdam companies or German companies, right, can get all the access to the breadth and depth of US investors without having to spend in being duplicative in SEC reporting, without having to be Sarbanes-Oxley compliant, without having to do additional work around reconciling to US GAAP. But by accessing those US investors and bringing that liquidity back into the home market, you're seeing a much more robust local market. You're seeing added liquidity. You're seeing the valuation gap decrease as US investors are coming in. And you're doing it all while remaining a national champion. We have this tagline in the organization called List Local, Trade Global. We are firm believers that UK companies should list in their home market. They should be national champions, and they should prop up the UK capital market in such a way that we're not having this debate about where the IPOs. Instead, they're IPOing here, they're being national champions, they're listing here, but they're using the markets that we provide to help supplement that with interested US investors.